Galatians Bookkeeping channel, where we help you as an entrepreneur save time and organize your finances with God at the center. My name is Angelise Prince. I am the founder and chief financial officer here at Galatians Bookkeeping, and I'm so excited that you're here today. Today, we are talking about a very practical question that a lot of entrepreneurs have, and that is, what is the difference between a profit and loss statement and a balance sheet? Now, I know that we can get into a lot of the nitty-gritty details between the two reports and how they can sorely benefit you. However, what I'm going to do today is talk about just the key highlights of what you need to know as an entrepreneur when it comes to your profit and loss statement and your balance sheet. So, first of all, when it comes to the profit and loss statement, the profit and loss is probably going to be the most used statement or most used report for you as an entrepreneur. This report will tell you exactly how much money has essentially come into your business, how much money has been spent, and what you have left over. Now, the technical terms for these numbers are your gross revenue, which is going to be at the top of your profit and loss report, and then your total expense accumulation is going to be another category that you have in your profit and loss statement. And then at the bottom, you're gonna have your net profit, which is the amount of funds that are left over. Now, as it relates to timing, when it comes to your profit and loss statement, you can have a profit and loss that tells you how much you've made, how much you've spent, and how much you have left over for the year, for a month, for a week, for 5 years. Whatever time frame you want to run a report and see what your profit and loss is for that particular time period, you are more than able to do that. Now, let's head over to the balance sheet. The balance sheet essentially tells you how your business has been performing since the beginning of your business. Imagine having a report that tells you exactly how you are doing as a human being since the beginning of your life. When you think about that, you want to think about the balance sheet. The balance sheet will take into account the very first day of your business and when you started making money. Your balance sheet will take into account the very first day of your business up until now. And so the balance sheet will be continuous, and it will continue to accumulate those numbers year over year. Now, when it comes to the categories that can be found on your balance sheet, you're going to have some different terms and some different categories, such as your assets, your liabilities, and your equity. Your assets essentially show you what valuable pieces are related to and are owned by your business. Your liabilities will show you what you owe as a business to other vendors, parties, etc. And then your equity will essentially show you, based on those two numbers, what the overall value of your business is. In some cases, when you think about the balance sheet, a lot of times if an investor wants to purchase your business, they, in most cases, will look at your balance sheet to see how well your business is performing financially before making any kind of decision. Or if you just want to understand how well your business is performing financially, you will want to look at your balance sheet. I hope that gives you some very simple and broad terms to really understand and be able to digest how these two reports can help you as an entrepreneur and as a business leader. If you have any more questions, we would love to help you and support you. You can head over to GalatiansBookkeeping.com to begin working with us today. I'm so excited to talk to you very soon.